beach. If I could live the rest of my life on the beach, I totally would. What's up, guys? My name's Brett, and today's another beautiful day. I'm here with my one and only sister Ashley.
Hi.
And today we're heading out far away. About to go check out an apartment. And yeah. Dang, traffic on a Saturday. Welcome to California.
Keep your eye out for rent signs.
Really? Alright. What?
I didn't know they did.
Woo! We're just out exploring right now. Oh, lost cat! No! Outside. Yeah, heading down to the beach probably before we go check out the place. And yeah. At last, the beach. I must say, that's a pretty good view.
Yeah.
Ooh. I love the beach so much. The beach. If I could live the rest of my life on the beach, I totally would. Walk out every day, walk right out onto the sand. It's a nice little pier. Sorry if it's kind of windy. There's nothing I can really do about that, but just I can only dream. One day. This is awesome right here. Look at that.
Huh?
Huh? No, what'd you say?
I said, could you picture yourself living?
Of course. I'd always picture myself living by the beach. Alright, so that place was like that we just checked out was, I don't know, it was a little shady. The realtor lady was kind of rude, first off. The place didn't even match the pictures. The number on the door was not the same as the number that was in the picture, and the lady was like, oh well, there's only 15 units here, and the number on the door was 16. What? So that looks like a no, I guess. But yeah, I don't know. Even the view too, the view didn't even match what was in the picture. Like the view was like the ocean, and this one was a picture of the view was a look at the mountains, I guess, and the ocean was behind us. So, but yeah, it was a studio, so it was as big as I expected, but not to my sister's likings. So, I guess on to the next place for her. Guess I'll keep on searching too. What's up, guys? Giant leap in time right now, and look who finally showed up.
After 3 weeks of promising that I was gonna be here, I'm here, guys.
It's like
It is really
little wedding going on right now. I'm over it. Let's go,
It's
Mark.
pretty cool. They picked the perfect day because the weather's just. It's like 75.
I bet you they didn't hear a word you said. Just 'cause
Probably.
Ali! Gabriel, say hi.
We'll just say 2 cars because both our cars are They're too small for 5 people, really.
We're just out here in front of the fire right now with a couple of friends. Mario's over here, pretty dark, but we're playing cornhole. I don't remember the other name for it, but there's Lily and Gabe. Ah! And get you the annoying dog. Oh. Fourth quarter. Champ is here, dude. I was gonna say the champ is here, but okay. What was that again? Wait, what does that say? What does it say? Belugamoof?
Belugamoof.
Alright.
That makes sense. Belugamoof.
Belugamoof. Tres.
I wrote that surprisingly well.
Oliver! Alright guys, I'm gonna bring this vlog to an end now. Pretty fun day. Pretty long day. I guess yeah, chillax. I guess I'll leave this to the question of the night. Alright guys, so thanks to Vanessa, the question of the night is, would you rather have loved and lost than to have never have loved at all?
Yeah, we got there. It was a little shaky, but you did it.
Take two. So Gabe?
Take two. I would have loved and lost.
And then Louis in the darkness over here.
You have to give a little explanation just to make it a little more interesting. Let's do that.
Well, the way I see it is that whether you have loved and lost or never have loved at all, either situation sucks. And pretty much, like, to love and have lost is pretty much the standard way of life. I mean, nobody ever loves and then, you know, doesn't lose that.
Alright, Louis!
It's like, you just never died. It's like, I just loved and kept loving because she never died.
What? Anyways, what was the question?
Loved and lost?
Oh,
or
yeah.
Never loved at all.
Just
Never
never-
lost at all.
Never lost it, right? That was, I pick never to have loved at all because, with my own personal experience, I have not experienced love.
Okay, but does it love between another human being or love just in general?
I was thinking romantic was.
Yeah, some people
I
have
mean,
romantic
in general-
relations with their pets.
Guys,
Alright, man.
my arm is getting
I'm not
heavy.
talking about my goddamn.
Moms, you have to answer the question again because I did not record it.
Oh, my hair's
Brett, you fucked up. Yeah. And Gabe? Fuck you.
Okay, what's the question?
The love and lost thingy.
I would rather have loved and lost because you just experience so many good memories.
That's what he did.
You like being in love is just a beautiful feeling, and I know it just seems kind of depressing to miss out on that in life. It's just part of life, and yeah.
Okay, and then Mario.
Well, I would have loved and lost because it's a learning experience. You still got the feeling of love, and you can say that before you die, so it's kind of cool.
Would I have rather have loved and lost or to have never have loved at all?
Diabetes?
I don't think you thought of that. Honestly.
Well, we were from your point of view, you said
I
romantic,
think
so.
I would have rather have loved and lost because
Herpes in a romantic way.
there's a certain meaning to life,
Herpes.
and it's not herpes.
It
Definitely
could be
not.
herpes.
No,
Yeah.
the heartless romantic
Of herpes.
of herpes.
42.
I do not know how to explain myself, but I guess I'll end that tonight. And as always, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Could you do another question?
I will not do another question because this is a one a night. We are not breaking the rules tonight, guys.
Special occasion.
Yeah, Brett, we haven't hung out with each other in like 10 years.
You have to make a video of it. Just this girl. You trying this.
And then, yeah.